There seems to be this misconception that only guys with muscles look good in tailored clothes, and that if you're out of shape, you're gonna look dumb. No! It is the complete opposite of that. As you can tell, I'm very passionate about this. We gotta have a long talk, okay? I'm SD, and if you're new, I show guys like you how to tailor their own clothes at home, and just because you're out of shape, yes, that includes you as well. So if that sounds like your jam, be sure to click that subscribe button down below. Whew, that was a mouthful. First off, what does tailored fit mean? Like, what does it actually mean? Well, I'll tell you what it doesn't mean. It doesn't mean tight-fitting clothes. Some guys think that tailoring your own clothes means that you need to make them super tight so that you can show off how you look, right? No, not at all. Tailored fit means tailored to you. See, the beauty of learning how to tailor your own clothes is there's no arbitrary standard that you have to uphold or a set of rules that you have to abide by. No, not at all, actually. And at times, yes, it can be my fault. I will admit it, because in some of my tutorials, I will use terms like slim fit or V-taper or hourglass shape. But at the end of the day, that ain't everybody's jam. That is the fit that I go for, but this channel, it's not about me, it's about you. Not everybody wants to have a V-taper or an hourglass shape on their garment, and a lot of times that can kind of get lost in translation or just kind of lost in the excitement of learning how to do it. But at the same time, that's kind of sort of the structure that I need to follow, because I need to show you step by step. And well, let's say I were to, I don't know, show you how to tailor a t-shirt. I put that t-shirt down on the table, throw some pins on top of that shirt, and just say something like, all right, well, put the pins in there and just kind of experiment and play around and figure out what it is that you want to do. Wouldn't be very helpful for you, would it? But you might go watch one of those tutorials and then get about a third of the way through and then kind of be like, I don't know, I don't think this is really for me, because I don't want to make my clothes slim fit, or I don't want to give it a V-taper because I'm not in shape. At the end of the day, I am chubby, I am overweight, and well, I'm okay with that, right? I mean, maybe not, but that's a totally different topic. So instead, you then go around wearing oversized dress shirts, just not realizing how good a tailored dress shirt would look on you. The beauty of learning all of this is you can be like a potter to his clay. You can make that dress shirt fit your lower back and your torso perfectly and then not touch the sleeves, or vice versa. Or you can make it fit in the chest, and if you have a gut, that's totally okay. You can use those pins to just not accentuate it, and in a lot of ways, you can hide it. When you're pinning up your garment, the sky is the limit as far as the placement of those pins go. It really is, because like we said, there are no arbitrary rules to this. Put those pins wherever you want. If you have a gut that you want to hide, by all means, go right ahead. Uh-oh, the significant other's calling, and she says that I never answer the phone whenever she calls, so I better answer this. Hey, what's up?
Are you still recording?
No.
I lied. I don't believe you. You're talking like you're still recording.
When we were putting darts in our dress shirt, what did we do? We pinned it up and then we tried it on, and what did I say? You're gonna feel uncomfortable. You're gonna feel super uncomfortable, because the first time that I ever did it, I did. It's the first time you ever felt a garment on the front of your body and the back of your body at the same time, so it kind of throws you off a little bit. Yo, I'm telling you, you have to just push through that uncomfortableness and you will be just fine. But that's why I put that part in that video, because that happened to me. Speaking of being uncomfortable, nobody wears tailored clothes. So when you start tailoring your clothes, it's gonna make everybody around you feel uncomfortable, and they're gonna tell you, they're gonna call you out on it. You know that you won when you start getting comments like, oh, nice extra medium shirt, or wow, what'd you do, shop at Abercrombie Kids? Just push through that too. They hate you because they ain't you. Let's go learn how to tailor a sweater, and remember, there are no arbitrary rules at all. All those measurements that I'm sharing with you and all the things that I am doing to that sweater are not hard and fast rules for you. The sky is the limit. Go do whatever it is that you want to do to that sweater. I'll see you over there on the other side. SD out. Deuces!